Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the fuel filter on a Ford Ecosport. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent sparks and make the job safer from the start, and finally relieve fuel pressure by using the fuel pump fuse or running the engine until it stalls. Begin removal by loosening the clips that hold the fuel filter in place, then gently disconnect each quick connect fitting while supporting the filter to prevent sudden drops. Keep a rag handy to mop up drips and inspect the old filter for debris. Note the flow directions stamped on the new filter and orient it correctly when installing to ensure proper fuel flow and engine performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving on maintenance by doing simple jobs yourself. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new fuel filter in the bracket and snap or bolt it into place, making sure the arrow points toward the engine. Reattach the fuel lines until you hear secure clicks, then restore power to the fuel pump by reinstalling the fuse and reconnecting the battery. Prime the system by turning the ignition key a few times before starting, then inspect for leaks while the engine runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.